So now we'll discuss about break, continue and pass statements in Python programming. First we'll see the break statement. Break statement is used to terminate the execution from the outermost loop. Break, continue statements generally we use in looping statements. Looping statements in Python for loop and while loop. So in these two loop statements we'll use the break and continue statements. Break statement is used to terminate execution of outermost loop which it appears. Break statement widely used in while loops and the syntax is break. The syntax is simply break. Suppose consider this following example: I equal to 1 while I less than equal to 10. That means I equal to 1, 1 is less than equal to 10. Condition will become true. Print I means I will be printed here. So first value of I is 1. So 1 will be printed here. So after that here it will check the condition. If I equal to 5, 1 equal to 5, the condition is false. So it will go to the next statement. What is the next statement available here? I equal to I plus 1. That means I will be incremented by 1. That means I gets value 2. Again it will go to the while loop. Because it is a looping statement, again it go to the condition, while condition, and 2 is less than equal to 10, condition is true. Print I means 2 will be printed here. And after that 2 equal to 5, condition is false, so it will go to the next statement. I equal to I plus 1, I equal to 3, 3 is less than equal to 10. Again the condition will become true, and print I means 3 will be printed. And 3 equal to 5, condition is false, it will go to the next statement. I will become 4 here, and again it will go to the while loop. 4 is less than equal to 10, condition is true, so print I means 4 will be printed. And 4 equal to 5, condition false, again it will come to the I equal to I plus 1, I will become 5, and 5 is less than equal to 10, condition true. Print I means I will be printed. 5 value 5 will be printed. Now it will check the condition. 5 equal to 5, condition is true, so it will execute the break statement. Whenever there is a break statement, simply come out of the while loop. Come out of the while loop. And what is the output we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the output we got here. Next one. So next example here you see while true. True is nothing but here while true means. So while true means the condition is true here. The condition is true, and line equal to input greater than symbol is printed here, and whatever input you are giving, that will be stored in the variable called line. So input always takes the value in the form of string. That's why hello there is input is given, that value will be stored in the variable called line. If line equal to done, break, but whatever value in the line, hello there is the value in the line, so that will compare with done, condition will become false. Print line means hello there will be printed. Hello there will be printed. Again it will go to the while loop. Again the condition is true. Again it will read the next statement, that is called finished. So that value will be stored in line, and finished equal to done, the condition become false. Again go to the next statement. Print line means finished will be printed. Finished will be printed. Again it will go to the while loop. The condition is true again, and line equal to input. Again it will read the value. Next value it will read the done. So line become done. So if done equal to done, the condition is true. Break means simply come out of the loop. So when after coming the loop, what is the statement we are having? Print done. So capital DONE will be printed. See here. So next one is a continue statement. So what is the difference between break and continue? Continue statement can also be used in the like break statement only, but the difference is break means simply come out of the loop. Continue means current iteration will be stopped. Current iteration will be stopped. Simply the control will go to the next iteration automatically. Whenever the condition is satisfied, whenever there is a statement called continue, then the current iteration will be stopped and the control will go to the next iteration automatically. So it is generally used in continue statement generally used in while loop or for loop. So the syntax of continue statement is simply continue. The syntax is simply continue is the syntax here. So for example here you see I equal to 0 and 0 is less than equal to 10, condition is true. So I equal to I plus 1, I will become 1, and if 1 equal to 5, condition is false, so it will go to the next statement. Print I means 1 will be printed, and control go back here, and 1 is less than equal to 10, condition is true, and I equal to I plus 1, I will become 2, and 2 equal to 5, condition is false. Print 2, 2 will be printed, and again it will go to here, 2 is less than equal to 10, condition is true, and I equal to I plus 1, I will become 3, and 3 equal to 5, condition is false. So print I means 3 will be printed, and again it will go to the while loop, and 3 is less than equal to 10, condition is true, I equal to I plus 1 means I will become 4, 4 equal to 5, condition is false, and print I means 4 will be printed, and again it will go to here, 4 is less than equal to 10, condition is true, 5 I will become 5, and I equal to 5, 5 equal to 5, condition is true, continue means what will happen, current iteration, whatever statements after that continue statement, those statements will be skipped, control will go to the next statement. Next I will become 5, 5 is less than equal to 10, condition is true, and I equal to I plus 1, I will become 6, 6 equal to 5 false, 6 will be printed, like this 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 will be printed. So only the whenever I equal to 5, the controls next statements will be skipped, and it will go to the next iteration automatically. And last statement is pass statement. Pass statement is in Python it is a null statement, no operations will be executed. Pass statement is also called NOP, no operation statements. That means no operations will be executed. The syntax is simply pass. The syntax is simply pass. When coming to the example here, sequence equal to PASS for I value VAL, this is the loop variable in sequence. Pass means simply it will go to the next value like this, it will skip all the 4 values, nothing will be printed here. When coming to the, in this case for letter in Python, so letter is a loop variable and Python is a sequence here, and if letter equal to H, pass. So first will be, letter will become P, and print this is a pass block, and print current letter, that is P will be printed. And next it will go to the next value, Y will be assigned to letter, Y equal to H, condition is false, so Y will be printed. Next will become, letter will become T, T equal to H, condition is false, it will next T will be printed. After that H will become letter, and H equal to H, condition is true, pass, simply this is the pass block will be printed. This is pass block will be printed, and after that print letter means it will print the value H. Next it will go to the I will be assigned to letter, O will be assigned to letter, O will be printed, next N will be assigned to letter, and N will be printed. So this is the execution of the using pass in the for loop. Current iteration will be passed whenever the condition is true. Pass statement means simply it won't execute any statement, nothing is executed, control will go to the next statement. So this is the example of pass statement in Python. Thank you.